Most people have no idea that 3 simple ingredients sitting in their kitchen could help their heart and arteries heal while they sleep. Olive oil, raw honey, and cinnamon, when combined the right way, can do more than add flavor to your food. This simple bedtime mix supports healthy circulation and helps your blood vessels relax and repair overnight. Every single day, your arteries face stress. High blood pressure, inflammation, processed foods, and sugar all wear down the inner lining of your arteries, what doctors call the endothelium. Think of it as a living shield that opens and closes with every heartbeat. When it becomes stiff or inflamed, your blood pressure rises and your circulation slows down. That's where this nighttime mix comes in. It's designed to calm your system and help restore flexibility to your blood vessels naturally. 1. Olive oil, the heart protector. Start with 1 teaspoon of high-quality extra virgin olive oil. This oil is rich in natural compounds called polyphenols, powerful antioxidants that activate an enzyme known as eNOS. This enzyme tells your arteries to produce nitric oxide, a gas molecule that helps them relax and expand. The result: lower blood pressure, better oxygen flow, and a calmer cardiovascular system. Olive oil's healthy fats also protect your vessels from oxidative stress, preventing LDL cholesterol, the bad kind, from turning sticky and damaging your artery walls. 2. Raw honey, the natural soother. Next, add about a 1/4 teaspoon of raw honey. This isn't for sweetness, it's for chemistry. Honey is packed with enzymes and antioxidants that help lower inflammation and bring down nighttime cortisol levels, your stress hormone. When cortisol stays high, arteries stay tense. When it drops, your blood vessels relax and repair themselves while you sleep. A little raw honey tells your body, it's time to heal. 3. Cinnamon, the blood flow balancer. Finally, sprinkle a small pinch of cinnamon. This spice helps balance your nighttime blood sugar and improves insulin sensitivity. Stable blood sugar means less stress on your arteries, less stiffness, and better blood flow. Cinnamon also helps thin the blood slightly, improving oxygen delivery to your heart, brain, and muscles. How to prepare? In a small cup, mix 1 teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil, 1/4 teaspoon of raw honey, a light sprinkle of cinnamon. Stir gently and take it about 20 to 30 minutes before bed. You can dilute it with a tablespoon of warm water if you prefer a smoother texture. As you sleep, your nitric oxide levels rise, your blood vessels soften, and your heart rate lowers. Over time, this can lead to better circulation, warmer hands and feet, sharper mental focus, and steadier morning energy. Remember, your arteries are not lifeless tubes. They are living tissue that can heal and renew when you give them what they need. So make this simple mix a part of your nightly ritual, stay consistent, and let your body do what it was designed to do: heal itself. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more natural health tips and share this video with someone who needs it. Every small step you take toward better health matters.